Below is a greatly expanded, in-depth, textbook-level monograph on brompheniramine. I have included advanced pharmacology, clinical considerations, toxicology, receptor-level detail, and therapeutic guidelines. Educational reference only, not medical advice. Brompheniramine, complete detailed drug monograph. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, brompheniramine maleate. Drug class, first-generation H1 antihistamine. Alkylamine class antihistamine, more potent and less sedating than ethanolamines like diphenhydramine, but more stimulating. Possesses anticholinergic, antiserotonergic, and mild local anesthetic properties. Common brand names: Dimetap, Brompheniramine, Bromphed DM with pseudoephedrine, dextromethorphan, Laudraine, various formulations, many OTC cold allergy combination products. Available drug forms: oral tablets, 1 mg, 2 mg, 4 mg, chewable tablets, oral syrup solution, typical 2 mg per 5 milliliters, extended release capsules, 6 to 12 mg, some discontinued, combination products with pseudoephedrine, dextromethorphan, phenylephrine for cold cough relief. Definition: brompheniramine is a sedating first-generation antihistamine that competitively inhibits peripheral and central H1 receptors, reducing the effects of histamine released during allergic reactions. It is widely used for temporary symptomatic relief of allergic rhinitis, upper respiratory irritation, and cold symptoms. Number 3. Mechanism of action in detail. A. H1 receptor antagonism. Brompheniramine reversibly blocks H1 receptors in nasal mucosa, respiratory tract, eyes, skin, prevents histamine-mediated responses, vasodilation, capillary permeability, edema, itching, sneezing, rhinorrhea. It does not prevent histamine release. It blocks histamine action after release. B. Anticholinergic, antimuscarinic effects. Inhibits M1-M3 muscarinic receptors, results in dry mouth, dry nose, thickened respiratory secretions, urinary retention, reduced lacrimation, possible blurred vision, helps reduce runny nose but increases risk of sedation, confusion, especially in elderly. C. Central nervous system effects. Crosses the blood-brain barrier, causing sedation, less than diphenhydramine but still significant, mild stimulation in some individuals, alkylamines can be activating, cognitive impairment, diminished psychomotor performance. D. Antiserotonin effects. Weakly antagonizes serotonin receptors. May contribute to drowsiness and mild appetite stimulation. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics, PK. A. Absorption. Rapid and well absorbed from GI tract. Oral bioavailability, 55 to 70%. B. Distribution. Widely distributed in tissues. Crosses blood-brain barrier, placenta, enters breast milk. Protein binding, 70%. C. Metabolism. Hepatic metabolism primarily through CYP-D6 major, minor N-demethylation. Active metabolites exist, less potent than parent drug. De-elimination half-life. Half-life, 20 to 24 hours in adults, may extend to 30 plus hours in elderly or hepatic impairment. Urinary excretion, 70%, mostly metabolites, 5 to 10% unchanged. Clearance slower in young children and elderly. Number 5, uses, therapeutic purposes. Allergic rhinitis, seasonal and perennial. Vasomotor rhinitis, symptomatic relief in sneezing, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, itchy throat or nose. Mild urticaria, itching. Common cold symptoms, cough in combination products with dextromethorphan. Nasal congestion in combination with pseudoephedrine. Not intended for chronic use unless medically supervised. Number 6. Indications, clinical indications. Indicated for temporary relief of histamine-mediated allergic symptoms, cold-related rhinorrhea and sneezing, mild cough associated with throat irritation, adjunct therapy in upper respiratory tract infections. In pediatrics, used with caution, often as part of prescribed combination syrup, e.g. Bromphed DM. Number 7. Contraindications. Do not use in patients with absolute contraindications, known hypersensitivity to brompheniramine or alkylamine antihistamines, concurrent MI therapy or within 14 days of MOI use, newborns or premature infants, breastfeeding, risk of infant sedation/apnea, narrow-angle glaucoma, severe urinary retention or BPH with obstruction, severe peptic ulcer with obstruction. Relative contraindications: asthma, may thicken secretions, COPD, hyperthyroidism, cardiovascular disease or arrhythmias, elderly, high anticholinergic load risk. Number 8. Precautions before taking this medicine. A. Medical conditions to disclose. Tell your provider if you have asthma, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, glaucoma, high blood pressure, heart rhythm problems, liver kidney impairment, thyroid disease, epilepsy or seizure disorders, difficulty urinating, prostatic enlargement, GI obstruction. B. Activities and substances to avoid. Alcohol, sedatives, opioids, sleeping pills, benzodiazepines, operating machinery or driving, combining with other antihistamines. C. Special populations. Pregnancy category C. Use only if clearly needed. Elderly, increased delirium and falls. Pediatrics, not recommended 2 years. Risk of fatal respiratory depression. Number 9. How to use. Administration instructions. General instructions. Take with or without food. Measure liquid doses with a dosing syringe or cup. Drink water to reduce dryness, thick secretions. Follow combination product dosing carefully to avoid overdose. Important, do not take more frequently than prescribed. Antihistamine overdose can be dangerous. Number 10, dosing information. Detailed, adults, 4 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, max 24 milligrams per day. Extended release form, 12 milligrams every 12 hours, some ER versions discontinued. Always use pediatric specific products. 6 to 12 years, 2 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, 12 milligrams per day. 2 to 6 years, 1 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, max 6 milligrams per day. 2 years, not recommended unless directed by a physician. Combination Bromfed DM, common RX. Adults and 12 years, 10 milliliters every 4 hours. 6 to 12 years, 5 ml every 4 hours. 2 to 6 years, 2.5 milliliters every 4 hours. Number 11, misdose and overdose. Misdose, take as soon as remembered. If next dose is near, skip the misdose. Do not double dose. Overdose toxicology. Symptoms include extreme drowsiness or hallucinations, confusion or excitement, especially in children, dry mouth, dry skin, dilated pupils, tachycardia or arrhythmias, seizures, hypotension, respiratory depression, coma, severe cases. Treatment, emergency attention, gastric decontamination, activated charcoal, supportive care, benzodiazepines for seizures. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. If stop the medicine and seek medical attention if severe dizziness or sedation occurs, vision changes or eye pain appear, possible glaucoma attack, difficulty urinating develops, rash, hives, or swelling suggest allergic reaction, fast or irregular heartbeat occurs, breathing problems worsen. Avoid long-term daily use without provider approval. Number 13, side effects detailed. Common, more than 1%. Drowsiness or mild stimulation, dryness, mouth, nose, throat, blurred vision, constipation, thickened respiratory secretions, headache, mild nausea. Less common, tachycardia, palpitations, insomnia or paradoxical excitation, children, tremor, serious rare seizures, arrhythmias, urinary retention, acute narrow-angle glaucoma, severe allergic reaction, confusion, elderly. Number 14, vital information. Key safety points. First-generation antihistamine, sedating and anticholinergic. Found in many OTC combination products. Risk of accidental overdose. Avoid with MAOIs, alcohol, opioids, or other sedatives. Can impair driving, learning, cognition. Use caution in elderly due to delirium risk. Not safe for infants or breastfeeding mothers. Number 15, drug interactions. Detailed. A. Drug-drug interactions increases sedation with opioids, benzodiazepines, alcohol, barbiturates, sleeping pills, other antihistamines. Avoid with MAO inhibitors, e.g. phenelzine, tranylcypromine, severe hypertensive crisis, or CNS toxicity. Additive anticholinergic burden with tricyclic antidepressants, amitriptyline, antipsychotics, chlorpromazine, antispasmodics, dicyclamine, bladder anticholinergics, oxybutynin. Interaction with blood pressure medicines may potentiate dizziness or hypotension. B. Drug disease interactions. Glaucoma, risk of acute angle closure. BPH, worsens urinary retention. Asthma, COPD, thickens secretions. Hypertension, combination products may increase BP. Seizure disorders may decrease seizure threshold. Thank you. Have a nice day.